What's up, YouTube? This is X26 Kicks bringing you a video here with, you see it, better late than never, Air Jordan 1, Travis Scott. I picked these up on the sneakers app when they dropped in May, and actually had to deal with all of that payment processing error, all that stuff. I got on the app, I set an alarm, wasn't thinking anything of it, like, oh, I'll try and hit them, if not, then whatever. I got them, and man, I'm so happy when I sitting on these, and just sitting, looking at StockX, watching everybody's videos, you know, just waiting to see what the price is gonna do long term. Yeah, like I said, sitting on these, waiting to see what they're gonna do long term and what the price is gonna be like. I mean, obviously I got my size, 11.5. Yeah, I'm just holding out, waiting out. You know, I don't have a plan how long exactly I want to wait. These are actually the only pair of DS shoes that I have. I always wear my shoes. Even when I was in high school and I used to skate, I had a lot of shoes, all skate shoes, and I would wear mine. I would skate them, all of them, you know. Then I got into SBs, I got into Dunks. I never really had Jordans as a kid, like a young kid. And when I first got into shoes, it wasn't about Jordans, it was more about SBs and Dunks. So that's why I really mess with the ones. Obviously, being Travis Scott, you're gonna wanna pick these up. And if you don't have them, I feel sorry for you because I'm not paying resale for these. Yeah, let me know what you guys think I should do with them. If I should keep them, sell them. I mean, I'm just holding on to them. The wife didn't even want me to get them. She was mad when I told her that I got them. But you know, once I showed her some of the StockX prices, she what they were selling for it, and she wasn't too mad at me. You know, it's nothing new from what y'all seen and everything. Mine didn't ship with the receipt, a shipping package paper. I mean, I got the receipts on my phone from my card and everything. I know a lot of people have been talking about the quality of each pair and how they vary, all the fake versus real videos. I mean, mine, like I said, 11.5s. My point is touching. This is the left shoe. We go to the right shoe. The point is touching. You know, I've seen all types of different gaps and what's right, what's wrong. The one about the numbers underneath the tag. You need the numbers. Both of my tags are sewn to where you don't see a number. I got them backwards. Left shoe, right shoe. You don't see any of the numbers underneath. Like, it's sewn so tight, I can't even see the red stitching. I had to look behind the tag to try to see the red stitching. The numbers, I can't see the numbers. But like I said, you know, I got mine off of the sneakers app when they released in May for retail. Had to pay tax. I just moved here from Oregon. I live in Arizona. That sucks. But yeah. So I know mine are real. I didn't have the different colored string in the Velcro or whatever it was. I heard somebody saying, I don't remember who it was. That's some really good at Velcro too. Like, that shit is, yeah. So my pair, so my left toe box, right? It's looking nice and shaped. My right toe box, it came and it was freaking creased up, like had a major crease right there. You see where that fold is? It was pushed in, and you can see like the shape is not, it's not as rounded because of that crease. Super good quality. I mean, nice and soft. Y'all saw the suede, how the suede is nice and velvety. Get the different brush strokes in there. I don't really have any glue issues. Oh yeah, another thing was the stitching. The stitching is supposed to stop before the Cactus Jack on the side, right? Let me see that. That one's a little closer than the other side. But I mean, 11.5s, Cactus Jacks. It's kind of a longer video for me. Let me know what y'all think, what I should do. Should I sit on them still? Are you guys selling yours? I've been seeing a lot of sales on StockX. I thought about picking up a used pair from GOAT, but I don't know, just to double up, just to have one to wear. I was in Vegas recently and I really wanted to take these for a friend's wedding. I didn't, but let me know what you guys think. If I should keep them, if I should sell them, hold them for a little bit longer, see what happens. I don't know. Right now, they're gonna be DS sitting in this box, and yeah, I'll let y'all know when I cop something else. New videos on the way. I gotta make a couple more videos that I'm behind on. I've got some newer ideas and some newer stuff that I want to do, so I will upload more in a little while. But yeah, you guys stay up, and this is X26Kicks. Follow me on Instagram, X26Kicks, Twitter, X26Kicks. I'm not really on Twitter that much, but I'll be posting just shoes and life in general on my Instagram, so go ahead and give it a follow. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.